Good morning, everyone. So today we will be exploring a new station. We are at Harlow in Essex. So I'm currently parked at Harlow Mill station, and let's go and explore what's on the station. The station was renovated back in 2023, and it has this modern view for a 20th century station. Let's explore what's in use in the station. So, as every new station, the stations is unstaffed. There is ticket machines, a massive parking, and a new modern bike rack. There's a lovely little waiting room, but unfortunately it's closed so early in the morning. Harlow Mill train station has two platforms, and the main operator to serve the station is Greater Anglia. The station sees many fast trains on the West Anglia main line. Electrification on the West Anglia main line began in 1989 and was completed by 1991. The old Harlow Mill signal building is still intact, but unfortunately it's not in use anymore. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.